Hi, Jason. Thanks for being a loyal member of our AutoNation family since 2015. Let's take a look back at what we've done together over the past year. You purchased a new vehicle. Congratulations. Thank you for trusting us with the care of your vehicle. You have done a great job keeping your vehicle serviced. You were one of over 540,000 AutoNation SUV customers in 2021. The car you sold us in 2021 has already found a new home. With over 13 million vehicles sold since 1996, AutoNation is America's largest and most admired automotive retailer, and it couldn't have happened without you. In 2021, we expanded to over 300 locations from coast to coast, with more to come. And 78 AutoNation stores were recognized with a J.D. Power 2021 Dealer of Excellence Award. We celebrated Helio Castroneves winning his 4th Indianapolis 500 championship with Meyershank Racing and the number 6 AutoNation Sirius XM Honda. And we'll be cheering Helio on in 2022 as he drives for his 5th Indy 500 win. Way to go, Helio! Through our Drive Pink mission, we have raised over $30 million together towards cancer research and treatment. This past year, we became the only automotive group with over 500,000 5-star reviews, including yours. Thank you for trusting us. By the way, great job achieving your New Year's resolutions. We're so glad you're part of the AutoNation family and can't wait to see what the new year brings. Don't forget what drives you, drives us. Schedule your next service appointment to keep driving safe. Plus, you can click below to share this video.